Hello and welcome to Eat Your Backyard. In today's video we're going to cover a slightly different topic than usual. I am actually exploring an aspect of my backyard now that I hadn't thought of, and that is to fly little toy racing drones around, and I'm working my way up to a full-on FPV drone, racing drone that I can fly around in my backyard, which is perfect for a little racetrack for that kind of thing. It's where you put on the goggles and fly it like virtual reality. So that little thing you just saw there is the Holy Stone mini drone, which was an incredibly inexpensive toy I picked up off the internet as a practice drone. And the reason I bought that one was because I had purchased a DJI Mavic Air 2 drone to start using for my YouTube channels, and they recommended that I train on a toy drone. Well, the toy drone I originally got was a bit smaller than this, which is also a good one. I'll put a link in the description below. That's better for indoor, but I got this one eventually, and it is really fast. I mean, it goes fast. I can't believe it. It's got 3 speed modes. It'll do flips in every direction. It'll hover in place. It handles the wind better than you would expect, and it goes way out. We take it out on the football field, and a good 60, 70 yards out sometimes. Sometimes you lose control and it just kind of drops, but you can see in this video here that it is really moving around, and that I believe is in the 2nd speed mode there, but when you put it in the 1st speed mode it's hard to keep it in the frame. Now what's flying above this is my Mavic Air 2 drone, significantly higher, and that's me flying it down in the lower right hand corner. I put links to all these drones in the description. If you want one, go ahead and check it out and learn more about it. Now here we go, the second part of the video. Look at this, a community garden. Isn't it wonderful? I'm hoping this will inspire you to form a community garden where you are. These are wonderful things. In the city where I live, group of folks came together and did this, and you can see they're growing all kinds of goodies, to include tomatoes and peppers and cabbage and all kinds of things. They've even got some tropical plants growing about. That is an amazing trellis, so they have a place that's protected from the sun to grow plants that are more tender. Rain barrels throughout to collect the water. So very eco-friendly. And this is a good example of how a really cool little backyard space like this, this is a community backyard, so to speak, with Bismarck palms and sable palms swaying in the breeze, how it has a dual purpose, and you could get something like a little toy drone and rediscover it in a whole different way. And if you're flying that thing with FPV goggles, you're really having fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Purpose was to introduce a little novelty maybe into your day. This discovery of this really cheap little way to have fun with the family was wonderful, and we're all enjoying it. I actually got some additional batteries. I have 8 batteries, so we fly it for about an hour and a half straight every time we do this. So hey, go ahead and subscribe, Eat Your Backyard, and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching.